Hello everyone, welcome to part 6 for October 2024 STL Patreon for D&D Warhammer Proxy and Figures. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. All the links that will be down below for you, the ones that we're looking at. So Grade 8 Studio, you got Re, Android 18, and Sakuya, and you got the previous and your welcome one as well. This is what Ray looks like. Oh, there we go. This is what Ray looks like. If they make it bigger. If they make it bigger. But yeah, that's Ray. There's Saber from last month. But they usually have everything ready by the end of the month. So you probably want to get like a day before the end of the month to get this for you guys if you're interested. Unlimited Fantasy. We got September for download. We don't have October's yet. I'll put a link down. If something shows up, I'm going to make a video. I don't know. Just let me know. I'll let you guys know. Okay, the evil one. This is a Warhammer proxy. This is 6 years. One. Let's see, there's one for October yet. I don't see anything for October. They might show up more towards after the 15th, but do check them out. They do have a lot of Warhammer proxies, especially for Necromunda if you're playing Necromunda as well. The big bad evil guy. So we have another Kickstarter, looks like, that's happening. But we're not interested in Kickstarter. We're interested on October Gold. So these three. So we have some kind of a clockwork mixed with horror at the same time. So that's actually kind of interesting. So we have these three that's coming out. And they're fairly cheap. It's like $3. You want 3 of those minis. Immature Gods, another STL proxy. So it looks like we have Chaos with the tank. I think these are female Chaos Space Marines. I wonder if we got anything bigger. This is 24-hour one. That's a big bike. Let's see if we can get some big ass. Well, yeah, these are female Chaos Space Marines. You can never have enough female, big old bitty space Chaos Space Marines, females. But yeah, that if you're interested, go get it. BG 3D prints. I'll put a link down. They do sell in other places as well if you're interested. They got some pretty cool stuff. They also got Samus as well. I think this is Robin, or was it Nighthawk? Mad Figures. Another one. I don't think nothing have happened since August, so I'll just remove that. Creature Armory. Nothing came out since August because we got that one. This one usually come out freaking weirdly, I would say. But they do proxies ones as well. Blue Wyvern. Looks like we got some tree stuff with natures and everything. Try and see. We got some plants. We got the one that's from like Legend of Zelda, the one that shoots like nuts at you. So that's actually cool. Treelings. We got some treelings for it. But here's the big stuff if you're interested. I think I only get it for this one because of the Zelda thing. We have Rodin Studio. We have Madara Uchachi. That's in the mix. Here's the full one as well. Let's see here. Guarantee this model. I want to know if it's something that's September one, so we don't have the October one out yet for the figures. I'll leave a link down for you guys so you guys can check them out. For August 20, September 2nd file. Oh, they have nothing for October yet? That's actually rare to see that from this one. Very miniatures. Really good for like Elden Ring, Dark Souls style, or Grim Dark style D&D games if you're interested in that. Little Patty, another figure one. We got Rimuru. We're getting what's her name again? Shaltir. So this is what we have for Shaltir so far that he's making for it. Oh, I wanted to get the white one, but it looks like the standard one won. Because I got a lot of standard chefs here. Lord Zoichi has nothing since August, so I'm going to close that. Remoto, they do a lot of stuff. Looks like there's a vote for October one for it. So any of these six lovely big old biddies, and I don't know who won, and we'll probably find out later when he makes the files for it. But we got Maka and I think Darkness for the previous month. BioBreed, I don't know if they're still alive. No, they're dead. Nymph 3D. So we are getting a Starfire bonus for a figure. And we got Yo Shushu, a September reward, but you can get that too for a previous one as well. But here's the new model and the previous model recap that you can get for this month. Sin 3D Studio. We got, I think this is the winner for it. So we got this one for this month, even though this is September, but it releases out October 1st. So we have a big old bitty anime maid girl and a big old bitty of this soda colored one as well, if you're interested. Dark, digital dark pinup. If you like the car like I had, this is the one where I got it from. I think it was Chung Li and stuff. Trying to see what was October ones for it. I think we're getting Mavis for this month, but they're very lewd if you want to see it. You're going to have to research it yourself because, freaking. Yeah, Mavis and Wednesday, Morticia, Think, and Cushion it. Okay, yeah, we're getting those three, looks like it, for this month. Beast Mode, I don't think they're still alive. Yeah, they rarely pop sometimes. These sculptors, nope. Dark Galaxy's gone. Young ST Blood is gone. Cthulhu STL collection, they're gone too. Raw 3D STL, I think they're gone as well. There's a lot of freaking Patreon that just left and just disappeared. Okay, this is the latest one, September 1. Looks like some kind of Arcana Angels for it. But I don't know what the October one is going to be. They might release it later on. Just go check them out. Leave a link down for you guys. Saka's Foundry. I don't know if this one's still alive. No, this was dead. Greg is also dead. Dragon Collector. They do DC stuff. October, you're going to get Owlman, I believe. One of the it's Ultraman, the parallel world from Batman. So you get the collection as well. If you're interested in DC characters, Skylar 3D Studio is dead. Waldus Studio looks like we're getting a lewd girl on a mammoth. So yeah, if you're interested in getting this figure, you can get that as well. Let's see here, Morgie miniatures for October. Looks like we got some hunters, like freaking demon hunters and stuff. If you're interested, this is probably good for just at that curse game that Warhammer made. I forgot what it was. It has the Exorcist and stuff like that. I forget what it's called, but you might be interested in that. 3D printable table. He's not really. He's not there anymore. Oh, a Style Penvo Sculpt. They do movie STL files figure. We got Breakfast at Tiffany's, and I think that's it. I don't know what the October one's going to be. Will Smelton, they do gnomes, weird looking gnomes. So I don't have hasn't done anything since August. So Kitten Figures, another movie TV figure as well, working progress. So we got that September recap. I don't know what that is, but if you're interested, go check out the link below as well. I think that will be it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord. Thank you guys very much. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.